Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by protecting your data. Make a backup copy, then convert the contacts range to an Excel table with Control+T so removal is safe and repeatable. Once done, click any cell in the table and open the Data tab. This gives you the Remove Duplicates control. Make sure headers are correct, because Excel uses them to target columns. You want precise column choices, so double-check that email, name, and phone columns are labeled, which prevents accidental deletion of unique rows. Now you decide how Excel identifies duplicates. Click Remove Duplicates and uncheck Select All, then check only the columns that must match. For most lists, email alone is enough, so choose email. For stricter checks, pick name plus phone plus email. If you need a custom rule, make a helper column that concatenates fields with a delimiter, like equals A2 and B2 and C2, and run Remove Duplicates on that helper. This gives you predictable, reproducible results. Finish by confirming the Remove Duplicates action. Excel reports how many duplicates were removed and how many unique rows remain. Once done, scan a few samples to verify you kept the correct entries. If you see mistakes, immediately press Ctrl+Z to undo, refine your column selection or helper formula, then repeat. If you require case sensitivity or fuzzy matching later, make sure to use Power Query, because Remove Duplicates is simple but not.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.